Welcome back to my channel, guys. For today's video, let's talk about how to earn money in YouTube. But before I will start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. Let's go. YouTube. You can monetize your videos through Google AdSense, channel memberships, super chat donations, and sponsored content. Google AdSense. Google AdSense is a program that allows content creators to monetize their YouTube videos by displaying ads before, during, or after their videos. When viewers watch or interact with these ads, creators earn a portion of the ad revenue generated. This provides a passive income stream, with earnings dependent on factors like ad engagement, video length, and audience demographics. Channel memberships. Channel memberships offer a way for content creators to provide exclusive perks and content to their most dedicated subscribers. Subscribers pay a monthly fee to become a member of the channel, gaining access to custom emojis, badges, and members-only posts. This subscription-based model can provide a stable income while fostering a sense of community among your most loyal fans. Merchandise shelf. The merchandise shelf feature allows YouTubers to showcase and sell their branded merchandise directly on their channel. This can include clothing, accessories, and other products. Integrating the merchandise shelf into your videos and linking to your online store provides a seamless way for your audience to support you while getting tangible products in return. Sponsorships. Brands often collaborate with content creators to promote their products or services through sponsorships. In exchange for featuring the brand's offerings in your videos, you receive payment or free products. It's crucial to maintain transparency and authenticity when promoting sponsored content, ensuring that the products align with your audience's interests and your content's overall theme. Engaging content creation. Consistently producing high-quality and engaging content is essential for attracting and retaining viewers. Interesting topics, storytelling, and entertainment value can increase watch time. Subscriber growth and overall channel success, positively impacting your earnings. Audience interaction. Engaging with your audience through comments, community posts, and live chats enhances viewer satisfaction and encourages more interaction. Building a loyal community can lead to higher memberships, increased merchandise sales, and stronger brand loyalty. Diversification of revenue streams. Successful YouTubers often combine multiple revenue streams. A mix of ad revenue, memberships, merchandise sales, and sponsorships can provide a more stable income and protect against fluctuations in any single source. Strategic video promotion. Effectively promoting your videos through social media, collaborations, and cross-promotions can attract a wider audience and increase overall views, which in turn boosts your earnings potential. Analytics and optimization. Regularly analyzing YouTube analytics helps you understand viewer preferences, demographics, and engagement patterns. This knowledge enables you to tailor your content strategy for maximum viewer satisfaction and revenue generation. Understanding your audience. By analyzing analytics, you gain insights into your audience's demographics, interests, and viewing behaviors. This understanding helps you create content that resonates with them, leading to higher engagement and viewer satisfaction. Content diversity. Diversifying your content can attract a wider audience and cater to different preferences within your follower base. Experiment with various formats, topics, and styles to keep your content fresh and appealing. Tapping into trends. Staying updated on trending topics and challenges allows you to participate in popular conversations and capitalize on the virality that comes with it. Integrating relevant trends into your content can expand your reach and increase views. Quality production. Investing in the quality of your content, including video and audio production, enhances viewer satisfaction. Clear visuals and good sound contribute to a more enjoyable viewing experience, increasing the likelihood of repeat visits and shares. That's all, folks. Hope you learned something new. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for our latest upload.